Threatening messages using his mom's phone to know the victim. Some of the threatening messages included like even if see.
Yeah, so I was able to
Keep talking, you bitch. Gotta learn to call my name and issue your mouth. Don't be home.
2 felony cases, same victim, same address. And this isn't even the first time. These charges were already dismissed once before. He got a second chance, and he used it to keep going, stalking, threatening messages sent through his own mother's phone, and now he's standing in front of a judge again. This time asking to walk free on a personal bond. Watch how this plays out.
Court calls the cases of the people versus Deion Bird.
Thank you.
I have a DV.
Good morning, that's the Republican Party on behalf of people.
Your name?
Yeah, Bird.
Mr. Bird, you are before the court on 2 felony complaints. Ending in 0228. That alleges that on or about August 9th, 2024, at location of 8790 MacArthur Boulevard, Superior Township, that you did commit the offense of stalking on an Erica Jemerson Bird. You understand? Actually, aggravated stalking. You understand the nature of that charge, sir?
Yes.
That's a felony punishable by up to 5 years incarceration and $10,000 fine plus court costs. Probation could be ordered for any term of years not less than 5. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Count 2 on that complaint alleges the offense of malicious telecommunications service involving a domestic relationship. You understand that charge, sir?
Yes.
Misdemeanor punishable by up to 6 months incarceration and $1,000 fine plus court costs. Understand that?
Yes.
On the other case, the case ending in 0229, that alleges that on or about August 10th, 2024, at the location, same location of 8790 MacArthur Boulevard in Superior Township, that you did that time also commit the offense of stalking or aggravated stalking. You understand that charge?
Yes.
Felony, 5 years, $10,000 fine plus court cost. Probation for not less than 5 years. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
The other is also the same charge of malicious use of a telecommunications device involving a domestic relationship. Misdemeanor punishable by up to 6 months, $1,000 fine plus court costs. You understand all of that, sir?
Yes.
First question I have for you is, do you want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
This is a public defender case.
Yes, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Bird.
You waive for further formal reading.
Yes, we will wait for the formal reading, be standing mute as to the charges.
And then having waived formal reading, standing mute as to the charges. I'll set a probable cause conference in this matter for
April 30th.
MP. April 23rd, 2026, 9 a.m. As to bond.
Your Honor, in this case, is the person to see that the bond is issued for from office.
I believe I am. Yes, I am.
For the record, Your Honor, we're requesting a $50,000 surety bond, as well as a GPS tether with a hot zone of 8790 MacArthur Boulevard in Pennsylvania. We are requesting a full contract with the victim, as well as the physical instruments, including those that firearms and or other weapons, based on this being a domestic offense. Your Honor, in this case, defendant was texting the victim, friendly messages using his mom's phone to know the victim. Some of the threatening messages included like even if see.
Yeah, so I was able to
Keep talking, you bitch. Gotta learn to call my name and issue your mouth. Don't be home. Victim, this is a reauthorization, Your Honor. So initially the cases were dismissed. However, defendant made the decision to continue his harassment of the victim. repeatedly. And so here we are again. This time the case is not just going to disappear. So with ultimate honor, that is our.
Your Honor, at this time, I would be requesting a personal reconnaissance bond on my client's behalf, as indicated by APA Townhouse. This is a reauthorization. These cases were already litigated. He is here purposely availing himself to the court today to handle these matters. He is not running away from these matters, as indicated. He is here standing next to me right now. He does have full-time gainful employment. I do not believe there will be any issues of any no contact or no go to orders. At this time, Your Honor, based upon the fact that my client is here trying to get these matters handled on reauthorized cases, I believe a personal reconnaissance bond would be appropriate.
Right. Well, as to the conditions of the defendant's release, I would indicate, first of all, that there is to be no use and or possession of any alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
You are not to leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court. I will also indicate that you are not to purchase, possess a firearm, ammunition, dangerous weapon, or anything fashioned to be a weapon. You understand that?
Yes.
You are ordered not to assault, terrorize, frighten, intimidate, threaten, harass, molest, or stalk anyone. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
I will also indicate that you are not to have contact by any means whatsoever with Erica Jimerson Bird. You understand that?
Yes.
And when I say no contact, I mean absolutely no contact except with a civil standby. You shall not attempt to have any direct or indirect contact with that person, either through others or through yourself. You're not to do that with any electronic communication that's including but not limited to phone, email, texting, internet, and you are not to mention that person on social media or on the internet. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
I'm also going to indicate that you are not to go to the 8790 MacArthur Boulevard. You understand that?
Yes.
Except with a civil standby. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
You are not to violate any criminal law. You are to personally appear at all court proceedings. You understand that these conditions that I've given would apply whether you're in custody or you are released. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
I am going to, for a review of the bond sheet, everything, I am going to set the defendant's bond at about $50,000 cash surety on each case. Defendant is ordered remanded. If defendant is released, he's to be placed upon a home confinement GPS tether. Thank you.
$50,000 on each case, GPS tether. Home confinement, the judge didn't flinch. When you've already been given a way out, and you come back to terrorize the same person, the court remembers. His choices built this moment, brick by brick. So here's the question. Did the judge get it exactly right? Or did this defendant deserve even stricter conditions? Comment below, hit like, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns.